Hello, in this video we'll talk a new chapter, chapter 17, addition and subtraction of fractions. Let's see how to add or subtract two fractions. To add or subtract two fractions, if the two fractions have the same denominator, then we add or we subtract the numerators. If they have the same denominator, so we add or we subtract the numerators. If the two fractions do not have the same denominator, then we replace the fractions by equal fractions which have the same denominator. It means we have to reduce to the same denominator, then we add or subtract the numerators. Exercise 1, page 68. Perform. What is the meaning of perform? It means calculate. 2 ninths plus 5 ninths. They have the same denominator. So what we do, we add the numerators and we keep the denominator. 2 plus 5, 7. And we keep the denominator. So we get 7 ninths. 5 sevenths minus 2 sevenths. They have the same denominator. So what we do, we keep the denominator and we subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 2 elevenths plus 5 elevenths. They have the same denominator. So we can add them. We keep the denominator and we add the numerators. 2 plus 5, 7. 8 tenths minus 8 15th minus 2 15th. They have the same denominator, so we can subtract them. We keep the denominator and we subtract the numerators. 8 minus 2, 6. 3 eighths plus 2 eighths. They have the same denominator, so we can add them. We keep the denominator. The denominator is 8 and we add the numerators. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 17th minus 3 17th. They have the same denominator, so we keep the denominator and we subtract the numerators. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Reduce to the same denominator, then calculate exercise 2. So we have to reduce first to the same denominators and we have to calculate. 7 sixths plus 2 thirds. Can we simplify the fractions? No. Look at the largest number. At the largest denominator is multiple of smallest. Yes, 6 is multiple of 3. So we multiply this fraction by 2. The first fraction does not change. So 7 sixths plus 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 2, 6 equals, they have the same denominator now, so we keep the denominator and we add the numerators. 7 plus 4, 11. 3 fifths plus 11 tenths. 10 is multiple of 5, so we multiply this fraction by 2. In this exercise, we cannot simplify. So we get 3 times 2, 6, 5 times 2, 10, plus 11 tenths does not change, equals 2. Now they have the same denominator, so we keep the denominator and we add the numerators. 6 plus 11, 17. 5/20 plus 7/5. We can note that 20 is multiple of 5, so we multiply this fraction by 4. We have to think first if we can simplify, but in this exercise we cannot simplify. Now 5/20 does not change, plus 7 times 4, 28. 5 times 4, 20. Now they have the same denominator, so we add the numerators and we keep the denominator. 5 plus 28, 33. Now 7/3 minus 4/15. 15 is multiple of 3, so we multiply this fraction by 5. 7 times 5, 35. 3 times 5, 15. Minus the second fraction does not change, 4/15. Now they have the same denominator, so we keep the denominator and we subtract the numerators. 35 minus 4 is equal to 31. Thank you.